In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Quick VPN connection failed issue and explain why this problem happens in the first place. Quick VPN has a lot of connection issues, but if you want a VPN that works smoothly with no errors at all, you can check the link in the description and try NordVPN, which is much faster and far more stable. So let's get into the fix. What normally happens is that you open Quick VPN, tap any country like Canada or the US, it shows connecting, and after a few seconds, the screen refreshes and you get the connection failed message. If you're also facing this exact problem, watch this part carefully because I'll show you 2 to 3 methods that fix it completely. First thing to know is that Quick VPN has been removed from the Play Store. If you search for it now, you won't find it. The only way to install it is through the Quick VPN APK downloaded manually from Google Chrome. But even after installing it, many people keep getting the same connection failed error. So here's the solution. Open your phone settings, scroll down, and open the Apps section. Tap Manage Apps. Then search for Quick VPN and open it. Inside, you'll see options like Force Stop, Uninstall, and Clear Data. Tap Clear Data and clear everything. Then scroll down and open Restrict Data Usage. Make sure both Wi-Fi and mobile data are enabled for Quick VPN. If either one is disabled, enable it. After that, open Battery Saver and select No Restrictions. Before going back, tap Force Stop once to fully reset the app. Once all this is done, go back and try connecting again. If it still doesn't work, then move to the next method. Open Google Chrome and search for Quick VPN APK Up to Down. Open the Up to Down website from the top result. Download the latest version of Quick VPN and install it. Try connecting. If the latest version still fails, scroll down on the Up to Down page and download an older version instead. Sometimes the older builds work better. Before installing an older version, uninstall the existing Quick VPN from your phone. Then install the older one and test it again. If the problem still continues, then most likely it's a technical issue from their server side. Quick VPN servers often go down randomly, and the issue sometimes fixes itself after a few hours or the next day. That's one of the biggest problems with using free VPNs, like Quick VPN. So if you don't want to deal with unstable servers, connection failures, missing Play Store support, or constant reconnecting, then switch to a reliable VPN, like NordVPN. It connects instantly, works on all apps, and doesn't give these repeated failures. You can check the link in the description to get NordVPN at a great price and avoid these issues completely.